Hey y'all, so today we're gonna be taking down these Bantu knots. Now, your girl found her spirit animal, okay, Desi, and she's really inspired me to take better care of myself. Her, along with Colleen Marie, those ladies are getting your girl right, okay? Your girl right so she can become your woman. Okay, well, not your woman. I'm not dating you. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to be a girl no more. I want to be a woman. Okay, I want to really embody my woman essence because I'm a mom of two. I'm in my 30s. I need to ditch this little girl mentality, this homegirl kind of way of presenting myself. I mean, even in this video, I'm very much so giving off homegirl energy. I'm working on that. Those ladies, Colleen Marie and then Desi, who is the inspiration for this video, they're getting me right, okay? They're giving me inspo. Last night, I decided to blow out and Bantu. I did end up clipping my ends because my ends were horrendous. They were so bad. And the thing that people don't realize is that when you have really bad ends, when you go to comb out your hair, it's gonna cause you to rip out your hair. When your hair is nicely trimmed and they don't have like damaged ends, you're able to get the comb through a lot easier. My hope is that moving forward, when I do my hair, it's gonna be a breeze. Okay, it won't take me the 2 hours it took me last night to do this. A lot of people, and even myself, I had this belief. I was just like, it's just hair. It'll grow back. It's not that big of a deal. It is a big deal. How you take care of your hair is a representation of how you feel about yourself. And in all honesty, I struggle with self-love. It's very difficult for me to show myself love and affection. I'm so rushed with everything that I do for me. When it comes to like my daughter, I take good care of her. I'm very gentle with her hair, all of those things. But when it comes to me, I just rake the comb through. I don't take my time. I didn't, cut my ends. I just didn't care. That's a sign of not loving yourself. And I had to realize that. And so as I'm on this journey to become the woman that I want to be, part of that is learning to love myself. And part of that is taking care of my hair, taking the time to do my hair, not rushing through it, taking the time to blow dry my hair, not doing it in large sections just so I could try to get it done faster, but really taking the time, small sections. And that's what I did last night. I took small sections. This process is really giving me an opportunity to show myself some love, to show myself that care and that attention to detail. I honestly, I don't know if this hairstyle is gonna be the hairstyle that I kind of stick with, my go-to. I don't know. I want to find something that is me, but that's gonna be some trial and error, And I figured trying this style would be a good launching point. Okay, it'll be a good launching point to just see. And I can find other people on YouTube that have wonderful, beautiful hair and then follow one of their tutorials and see, just see. See if I like it. What can I incorporate? What can I take from this in order to show myself more love and care? I need to separate it. Okay, that's the next step. Gently separate it into soft, billowy kind of curls. We're gonna take our time. We're not gonna manhandle our hair anymore. And that's really what I've been doing. I've been manhandling my hair. Okay, that's how you end up with a lot of split ends. That's why you can't retain any growth. Absolutely ridiculous. See, even pulling these apart is so much easier because I do twist outs normally. Pulling them apart is just so hard because they're constantly catching on to those split ends, those rough ends. I like that my ends are now clipped. I'm going to keep track of them and make sure that I don't allow them to get raggedy like that again. And if they do, then clip, clip, clip. We're gonna bust out them clippers. I went and got myself some shears for that very, very reason. My hair feels really soft. I'm not even gonna lie. I use this leave-in conditioner that I got from Ipsy. I just kind of sprayed it. And I actually used something else I got from Ipsy. And this is the leave-in cream. I took my time. The type of brush that I used this one because it can withstand the heat. My hair is to the E. My hair is nappy. And I don't say nappy in a bad way. Okay, I love naps. I love my naps, but my hair is very coarse. So I need a high heat to get it to be straighter. And if you get a regular schmegular brush, that thing is gonna melt into your hair. This one did not melt. And I will have these products linked below. Just so you know, I think if you buy them from the links or if you watch, I don't know how the Amazon influencer thing works, but there is a possibility that I will get a little kickback from it. If you don't want to do that, then just, you could take a picture of this and then look it up. It doesn't matter. I'm just making sure that you have access to the products that I'm using. And this brush, it did not melt into my hair. I used this hair dryer with the little fan attachment thing, this little thing right here. I say fan because it looks like a fan. I use this hair dryer to blow my hair out and it worked really well. If I can find that on Amazon, I'll link it. But if not, you can go to my Flip app. And that's actually where I got that blow dryer. I got that off of Flip app. Now I'm just gonna take this comb and just kind of comb through it a little bit just to kind of get rid of those edges. And then what the girlies are doing. Now my hair is layered. I don't have like a blunt cut. I wonder what Justin's gonna say when he sees me like this. I think this side didn't turn out as good as this side. I don't know why. Okay, let's just do a part and see what she looks like. And now I do have to get my hair professionally cut because I can tell that when I cut my ends, it's not like the best even look. You know what I mean? Like it's not as even as it could be. This is giving like 80s, 90s vibe. That was a much classier time. Not all of the time. There were more like classy Black women that we could kind of aspire to be like during that time. I am gonna put a little bit of edge control just to kind of give a more polished look. Let me know what y'all think. And if you have any tips and tricks, let your girl know. Let me see. Ooh, who is she? Who is she? I feel like that woman. Okay. We're on to something. Like I said, this is a journey. I not only have to look the part, I have to be the part. Most of that comes from within, right? I could get all this looking good, but then still be classless. I don't want that. I want the class to exude from inside. If you have any more recommendations for me, let me know. If you're curious about any different, styles and you want me to try them out and give you my feedback, let me know down in the comments. Also have a Discord server. So if you want me to react to some kind of content or if you want me to try things out, let me know in there and I will get back to you. I love where this is going. I feel so beautiful right now. I feel Justin is gonna attack me when he sees me. I'm not even gonna lie. I might end up pregnant again. Let me not put that in the ether. Let me not put that in the ether right now because we should not be having no kids right now. This is a whole vibe. I'm obsessed. Rate this look. Is it a 10 out of 10? Is it a 5? Is it a 0? Let me know. Be honest, okay? I'm not gonna get in my fifis, okay? I'm not gonna clap back. So be honest, what do you guys think? I personally think this is a whole look. I think I slayed the heck out of this. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much. If you found something valuable in this content, let me know by leaving a like, leaving a comment, engaging with my content, because that lets me know that you're enjoying what I'm doing and it gives an opportunity for other people to enjoy my content because the algorithm, we know all about the algorithm, okay? She's very finicky. The more you interact, the more she will push you. So if you really enjoy this content, interact with it, share it with somebody that you feel like needs to see or hear what I'm saying. I'm gonna wrap it up. The wrapping up is always so awkward for me. I never know how to end my videos and then I just kind of cut them, but we'll just say bye. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.